Due to leaks and early hands-on images, Samsung's next foldable phones are receiving more attention. Compared to previous versions, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is anticipated to be slimmer, sexier, and more elegant. Samsung is anticipated to create the thinnest foldable phone design in its history, tackling the issue of foldable phones' size. According to rumors, there may be an Ultra version that adds more upscale features. With its huge camera bump on the back and narrow profile, the Fold 7 nonetheless has a familiar overall appearance. The casing increases height to protect the lenses, and the triple camera array of the Fold 7 is situated on a slightly elevated island. Additionally, Samsung is getting ready to launch a next-generation version of its provisional engine, which should produce more steady video footage, stronger digital zoom, and sharper images. Additionally, a significant new primary sensor, possibly the 200-megapixel sensor found in the Fold 6 Special Edition, may be included in the Fold 7. The Fold 7 is anticipated to retain its triple camera system on the back and two front-facing cameras, with little changes to the overall hardware configuration. Despite the lack of exciting improvements, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 should still gain from the improved ProVisual engine, which should improve image quality without requiring hardware modifications. Even though President Trump has imposed new tariffs, Samsung has chosen not to raise the prices of its foldable flagships, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7. For the Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7, the anticipated US price is $1,899, which is comparable to the previous generations. Taking into account tariffs, inflation, and tech FOMO, this is a minor victory. There may be more uniformity and interoperability across accessories if the Z Fold and Flip 7 allow wireless charging, according to a recent listing from the Wireless Power Consortium. In order to preserve the Z Fold 7 and Flip 7 G2's thin foldable design, Samsung may be preparing them for third-party cases with magnetic rings. Thus this support might not be entirely built in. According to a report, Samsung may plan its next major Unpacked event for mid-July, which would coincide with previous health-related events for Galaxy Watch customers. Even while the Fold 7 might not be a major advancement, there are a lot of rumors about forthcoming wearables, a foldable hypermodel, and ongoing enhancements to driving features. Samsung has a number of things going for it this year, even though the Galaxy Z Fold 7 might not be the foldable phone you've been holding out for. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.